So we're going to be creating a castle like Mary Blair. So we have a handout that's going to show you what the castle looks like. Our first step is to use our ruler. So when we look at our handout, you notice it has 4 segments. So I'm going to get fairly into the middle of my paper. I'm going to draw a line with my ruler. Now my segments I'm going to use as the size of my ruler. I'm drawing lightly so I can erase. So now I have 1 segment. I can place my ruler down. I draw my second segment, so I have 2 segments now. I can then place right here, making sure they match on the line. And now I have 3 segments. I then place my ruler here, matching the line. Oops. I'm going to hold your ruler a bit so it doesn't move. If you have any problems, if you've done lightly, you can easily erase. And some of these lines we are going to erase. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. If we look right here, we notice that we have some boxes. We have 2 right here, and then the center ones is where the door is. We're not going to draw the line in. So we place our ruler down right here where it matches the page. I'm going to draw a line here in that segment right there, and I'm going to draw a line here, but I'm not drawing it in the middle because that's where my door is. I'm going to move it up. And then I'm going to draw the line all the way through. That way we can see our door and then our 2 segments. We're going to then bring our ruler. We're going to draw another line. So now we have the segments 1, 2, 3. We're going to take and we're going to draw another line. So now we have the segments 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one has a 5th one. It's only right here. So we're going to take our ruler and we're going to draw a line right here. So now we have 5 segments in the first column, 3 in here because this one's part of the door, 3 on this side, and 4 here. Once we've done that, we're going to bring out our compass. The compass is going to help us draw a circle. Now, we're going to make a face, okay? Now, to make our circle, to start our face, we're going to bring it just a little bit down below that dot right there on the T. And bring it down a little bit below. I'm going to then, I'm holding my center part right here, my center point. I'm going to then, see where my arrow is right here, take and create a circle using my compass. And you just kind of move your finger around, holding it still to create a circle. So now I have my circle in the packet. You'll notice there's different faces, but if you look right here in the clock face area, there's many different ones for you to choose from to create that face. Right up here, we're gonna hold on the orange and find the little dots in here and make a circle by spinning it that way. And then you have your sun. So then you can take and look at, and there's other little clock faces for you to pick from too, and find where the sun is. Sun face. So right here, so you have some sun faces to choose from there, some sun faces to choose from there. And then there's some more suns right there, so you can get some ideas of suns you might want to have, okay? You want to think about your top columns that you're going to create. And there are some castle domes so that you can put right up in here. And you have some examples also on the front of the packet. You have in here some little border designs that you can create inside there. Where's the other? And you can see right here, there's some more little insides, parts that you're gonna design to pick and choose from on your columns to where you get a castle that will look something like this, okay? So I've picked my face, my sun, my different columns and tops, and I have picked my different designs that go in here. I've outlined it with a Sharpie. All Sharpies will get returned into my thing, and when you finish with the Sharpie, it must have its cap on it. So when you finish with when you use the Sharpie, you put the cap on the end. When you return it, you put it back on. Notice it has a nice point. It should still have that point when you return it to me. Don't press down really hard on them so they stay nice, okay?